A man's fight to prove his innocence is getting the attention of state legislators. Michael Pearson has served 15 years behind bars for a 2010 violent assault and robbery, even after a co-defendant said he had nothing to do with it. Arlena Allen brings us the latest in this case.
An injustice or justice served? That's been the question raised in a 2010 violent assault and robbery case. Attorneys for Michael Pearson, one of the defendants, says newly discovered evidence shows that he's been sitting behind bars for 15 years for a crime he did not commit.
I can't think of anything worse than being in prison for something you didn't do.
That's Christine Muma, Pearson's attorney. In 2012, Pearson and Victor Weldon were sentenced to 60 years after being found guilty of robbery. Police linked Pearson to the crime through a thumbprint on the victim's car. But in 2023, Weldon stated in a plea agreement that Pearson was not involved. That led the Clarendon County Sheriff's Office and the Third Circuit Solicitor's Office to reopen the case. Pearson remains behind bars at Evans Correctional Institution, but his case is now with the Attorney General's Office under post-conviction review, a process that looks for trial errors. State Senator Jeff Zell and Representative Fawn Pedalino are urging the Attorney General's office to give it close attention.
I would prefer having an empty prison than having innocent folks in prison. That is a true injustice.
If he was wrongfully convicted, he should be able to move forward and not have stipulations on that.
The Attorney General's office declined to comment on the pending case. Muma says Pearson has an evidentiary hearing scheduled for late September, unless the Attorney General's office decides to act before that. Lena Allen, WIS News 10.